Hello, homeschool parents. I am Chris Cordell from The Right Journey, formerly Writing with Chris Business, and this is Julie, my administrative assistant, and Julie is the one that recently has been doing all of the training for our teachers. We do offer classes to students, but we are excited to let you know about an opportunity to begin training parents. So we are ready to launch an adult certification program. And Julie, since she is experienced in training our teachers, she's going to be doing the bulk of the training in this program. So I want Julie to share with you what this program is about, just in a nutshell, just enough to tickle your ears.
Okay, go ahead. So I am Julie, and this is a pilot program that we're launching to bring you the basic writing curriculum and train you and equip you to use it with your own children and other children in your life in our writing curriculum and program that we use in all of our classes. We are excited to share this new opportunity for the adult certification. We are launching this pilot program that will begin in the very beginning of September, this fall semester of 2021. And this 12 to 13 week class will meet 2 hours a week online in the Zoom platform, but it will be live instruction with me and with other students in the class as we learn our basic writing curriculum. In our basic writing program that we use in all of our writing classes, we will teach you how to instruct your students in the writing process, how to come up with ideas through critical thinking skills, how to articulate those ideas, and how to compose a quality and academic written paragraph. So we are just excited to bring you into this process. We know that you as homeschool parents have the ability to take your students' education to the next level.
Our goal with this adult certification program is to partner with you, empower you to be able to teach your children. Teach your children in your home, teach their friends, teach in your co-ops or pods that you may be looking at creating. We want to build relationship with you. We want to be there for you and with you to bring quality education to your children. So help us do that, and we hope to hear from you soon.